I'm Cherylin, and today we're going to be replacing the thermal fuse in a Whirlpool electric range. You may need to replace the thermal fuse if your oven is not heating up at all. This repair should only take about 10 to 15 minutes. For this repair, we're only going to need two tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. If you don't already have a new thermal fuse, they are available for purchase on our website. Before repairing any appliance, always make sure it is completely disconnected from its power source. To remove the back panel, we're going to need to remove the 5 Phillips head screws on either side of the back panel. We'll start by doing that. Now we can remove the back panel. Just lift it up. Here we have the thermal fuse. It's held on by one Phillips head screw, so we'll just need to remove that. And then we just need to remove the 2 wires connected to it. So if they're on there too snugly, you can use a flathead screwdriver to help pry them off. And there we go. Once you have your new thermal fuse, we'll start by reconnecting the wires to it. Doesn't matter which wire connects where, it's just creating a circuit. And then just re-screw in the Phillips head screw. Now we can replace the back panel. You're going to take the top of the panel and slide it under the ridge of the frame. Line up the screw holes. Not too hard, right? Here's a quick recap. All of our OEM parts and tools are available for purchase on our website. Check them out, along with our social media sites here.